some waves in Shawnee's hair and halo, and something that I feel like not many people do, because I used to do this, I would forget, but you always need to put heat protector in your hair and the halo because it honestly makes the biggest difference. Do you use heat protector?
Yeah.
Yeah. I never did, and it's like,
I've really started doing it recently.
It makes it so healthy if you do want to straighten your hair or like curl it. But yeah, just pick up the hair and then just spray. I use the Evo heat protector. I find it to be really, really good. And it actually holds, like, whenever you're curling or straightening the hair, I find the heat protector just keeps the style in. We always recommend putting heat protector on the halo when you're using heat tools because it will make the halo last so much longer. Because at the end of the day, the hair isn't attached to the head anymore, and the more you fry it without heat protectors and stuff like that, it's just going to get damaged. It's not going to last as long. So when I curl hair, like whether it's mine or someone else's, I usually like to put my halo in and then start curling and sectioning just so that it's in there and you get all your hair and the halo's hair intertwined. What I find is really good is I like to sort of run my fingers along underneath the halo so that I pick up pretty much all the halo, so that's the underneath parts of my hair that are left that I'm going to curl first, and I just sort of like to clip up the halo like that, like you would your own hair, but because it's quite a low sort of sectioning, it's fine. It's not going to like pull the halo off or anything like that. A little bit more heat protector on Shawnee's hair. From here, I would just start with the bottom section, then I would let the halo section down and clip the top section up and then curl the halo, and then I would let the top section down and then curl that section. What you want to do is grab small sections and bigger sections and just curl them going away from the face like this until they reach the middle of the back of the head, and then you want to do the other side of going that way as well. So all the curls need to be going away from the face. So usually when I wear my fine, I wouldn't bother doing this, but because I'm doing it on Shawnee, I want to show you guys. You can usually just curl the halo as is, but because I want to section it a little bit more and get a little bit more texture out of her curls, I'm going to pick up, feeling with my finger again, that top weft of the halo. So I can curl one weft and then let that one down and curl that one specifically so that they have a little bit more movement in them. So I'm just going to clip up that top section of the halo and then start curling this section now. Okay, so I'm just gonna spray Shawnee's hair with the Trevor Murphy bedroom hair. And this is good for giving it some texture. And then I just like to sort of like undo the curls like this rather than brush them out, because I want to keep them sort of bitty and together.